let's go to our third recipe we're gonna go to. It's gonna be the ginger snap cookies, okay? So we're gonna cream the butter and the brown sugar, okay? So we're gonna get here, it's gonna be 1.5 cups of butter. So we know what this one was, right? So I'll take off here, this is 1 cup. And I'll come back over here. I'm gonna grab 1/2 cup here, which would be, if that was 1 here, 1 there. So 1.5 cups of butter. Okay, we're gonna cream this together. Again, this is a ginger cookie. We just made a ginger cookie. We're making ginger snaps right here. So this is gonna get creamed together with 2 cups of brown sugar, okay? Now, I already know this because this is a 2-pound box. It's about 1/2, but we're gonna measure this out for you, okay? So 2 cups of brown sugar. Another good reason to work on top of a parchment paper is it's really easy to clean. So it's 2 cups of packed brown sugar, so 1. 2. Okay, I'm gonna slip that over here. Okay, so 2 packs of brown sugar with 2 cups of brown sugar. We're gonna cream together. You can kind of see the methodology here. Everything ends up being some type of different ratios of sugar and butter being creamed together. So bop, bop. Okay. Stay on there, baby. All right, down here, locked in. Okay, give it a minute. Cool. So we're working that. Move this over the side here. So on here we have butter and sugar creaming together, right? We're gonna add 1/2 cup of molasses when it comes time. I have 2 eggs that we're gonna add. Okay, so we'll get those cracked and ready. 1 and 2. Okay, and then let's get together our dry ingredients, all right? For here, I'm gonna get rid of this. These parchment papers are really handy for a lot of great reasons. Okay, that's creaming together. I'm gonna do my molasses and my eggs after that. I have 4.5 cups of flour coming up right next, okay? So, and here. So 4.5 cups of flour. You know, one of the reasons why I wanted to kind of show this today was, one, I thought it'd be kind of fun to measure as we go along. 1. Usually we do these things, I have everything kind of pre-laid out. But it's a little bit more fun to kind of see how, 2, 3, don't lose count, is as we go through this, kind of see how easy this can be. So it's 4.5, right? So I'm gonna follow along here. 4.5, yes. So it's gonna be 2 1/4 cups. I don't know why they don't make a 1/4 cup, a 1/2 cup, but easy to do. Boom. Dry ingredients, check. Next up, I'm gonna have ginger and salt. Okay, so it's calling for teaspoon, 4 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 teaspoons of ginger, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ginger, 4 teaspoons of baking soda. Okay, the baking soda is going to really help. 1, give these guys some really crisp. 2, 3, 4, okay. Salt, 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 and then I have some fresh ginger here we put in after we sift this together, okay? So we'll do our sift, make our sift move right here, okay? Check that, that's creaming together really well. Machine's working hard, and then let's go in here. I'll use this so I don't have to get it everywhere. 1, 1, 2. So it's a little sifting. These are going to be ginger snaps, and they're going to be a little bit darker. We still have to add our dry, wet ingredients here, which is going to be eggs and molasses. And we'll finish off with some fresh ginger. All right, so just doing our little sift, making so all the flour kind of runs together. You'll see in here, I see the ginger, all the pieces. Just make sure they all get kind of broken up. Okay. Right. Holiday cookies, holiday smells. I mean, I could see this, if I was doing this kind of stuff, I'd probably do this a couple days ahead and kind of, you know, for me, or I would, and family-wise, I know we're doing a Friendsgiving this year. we'll be asking people to bring different things. And my mother-in-law is gonna be bringing the baked goods. And I know she gets all this done a couple days in ahead, all right? So, all right, so here we go. Eggs gonna add in. Okay, give those a chance to get caught up. Add a little air into there. And then for our, check my glasses here. Our molasses, it's a half a cup, okay? Molasses is really sweet, adds a lot of color. Blackstrap molasses. Okay, turn that down just a little bit. I'm gonna slowly add in our flour, sifted flour, okay? Seems to be a fair amount here. I'm just gonna add this in a little bit different style this time around. There's the mess we talked about. Told you I'd do that just for you. Okay. That gets us going a little. Handy dandy scooper here. Super fun. Get down just a little bit. There we go. All the ginger snap goodness right in here. Okay. Incorporates all in. Okay, boom. Over here, use this. All incorporated. Boom. Done. Up it comes. These are going to be our ginger snap cookies, okay? This off here. Oh, baby, baby. Okay. Up. Definitely different color here, a little bit different look, a little bit lighter. See, we had less butter in these, okay, for the last ones we made. Let's use a scoop here, scoop it down around the bowl. Don't be afraid, still use our hands. These are gonna be a little crispier, so the dough's a little bit more dry, if you will. Okay. Mix it around. Get all the goodness off here. Okay, I'm just gonna just mix this together a little bit more here on the board. And for me, I'm gonna fold in the ginger right here, okay? In goes the ginger. Nice in chunks, that's fresh diced ginger in here. It's gonna add a nice flavor to it. I'm just gonna fold this in with my hands, by hand. You can smell that ginger, like big time, okay? These will be good, these are gonna go home. Dan's wife loves these cookies. We know to keep everybody happy here at ZLINE. So let's take a nice bowl here, okay? Ginger snap cookies. So we have soft ginger cookies. We have the ginger snaps, right? Those are done now. So our ginger snap cookies right over here. I'm just gonna take, this is a baking sheet. I just have some parchment paper on here. I'm gonna make it so it fits this pan. Okay, bam. Okay, ginger. So for me, I like to use this little, you can do it by hand, you can use a scoop. I just use a little bit of a portioner. You can call it a cookie portioner, you call it a little disher, okay? This makes a nice little different size. You can put 1, 2, or 3 together. One of the things I like to do when you're making these is you really wanna make sure that all these cookies come out and just look a little bit different. That's gonna give you the look of a really beautiful cookie plate, okay? So on here, I'm just gonna press these down, okay? These are our ginger cookies. And because it is holiday time, I'm just gonna put a little bit of sprinkles on here, a little holiday sprinkle on top. Okay, gonna give a little different look. You can dress them up any way you want. Drop these into the convection oven. Okay, so I have it set right now. I already had it heating up, so I'm gonna clear it. Okay, I'm gonna go to convection here. I'm gonna go 350, 0. Okay, I'm gonna go to my time, right? I'm gonna go 10 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna go start. We're back with the cookie fest, if you will. Cookies, holiday cookies. We have definitely made ourselves a nice mess here. We have got 4 types of cookies in the oven right now. Okay, the first one I'm gonna take out for us are gonna be the ginger snaps we put in, and we did these in the convection bake, in the microwave convection bake, okay? I gotta tell you, you can see these right here. These came out absolutely perfect. Cooked really well. Right, so a lot of times with cookies, you want to let them rest for a hot second. So I'm just going to place them up here to look cool. They'll cool down. These are ginger snaps. We'll put a little bit of festive colors on there. You know, as I look at these right here, as you saw these, I did about a 2-ounce scoop. If these cookies are a little big for you, if I think about the size I'm looking for, I might rather really have these done at about 1 ounce, because we're going to do a cookie platter or assorted cookies. You want to have them be you know, more than, not too big really. So my thought would be maybe a 1-ounce cookie would be a little bit better for our purposes here. We have 4 different types of holiday cookies. That one's not my favorite, but you know, you gotta check it out, right? So you have soft ginger cookies, ginger snaps, peanut butter and chocolate cookies here, and then a really simple little spread too warm right here. Let these cool before you decorate them, but just a really simple sugar cookie that cuts out really well. And you can use any shape and any decoration you like. And we wish you the most happiest holiday season. And I gotta tell you, the ZLINE ovens work amazing, because if I can bake, you can bake, okay? And I guarantee you that you'll have more success than I, and you'll have a lot of fun. And if you can get the kids involved, absolutely do it. You know, it's a lot of fun to kind of step out, do this, and when you have great equipment, it makes life a heck of a lot easier. So we wish you a happy holidays and enjoy your ginger people.